Namaste friends. I am Dr. Vitrak Shah, consultant at Diabetes Care Clinic, Surat, Gujarat. Today I want to share my views regarding lifestyle modification in diabetes in post-lockdown period. Before that I want to ask you, and I also want you to ask yourself, that what does this lockdown taught to you about life and in which style you think is best to live. Initially, when the lockdown happened, we all were a bit scared about the emptiness. But soon we realized the power of doing nothing, and in the process, some questions came out of the surface that I want to share with you. Is our remaining busy is genuinely productive? Are the meetings we attended, events we graced, and the series of formal interactions truly designed to be result oriented? Are the hectic schedules fundamentally purposed at all? Yes, earning a bread is definitely essential. But what goes wrong with earning too much that we started leaving the crisp of bread uneaten in our plates? And all of this at what cost? At the cost of our health? We all have learned in school that health is wealth, but this lockdown made us realize that we got to know now that many things we rush in our routine life can be done easily, and most of the time there is no requirement to rush. Post lockdown, we must reorganize our routine schedule to the things that matter, to the things that keep us going with better health. But when it comes to management of diabetes, there are three other basic things that matter a lot. First comes the diet, and which will perhaps remain the mainstay in management of diabetes. During the lockdown, we learned that we can survive without high calorie diets. Many have experienced that blood sugar levels have drastically came under control while they have started eating home cooked food. Majority of calories were cut off which were coming from junk food, high calorie soda, cakes, pastries, deep fry foods, etc. In fact, we have started celebrating birthdays with fruit cakes. It is the time that we have realized that we have healthy options to manage our calorie intakes. Then why don't we continue the same after the lockdown too? Second most important thing is exercise. All of us at some point have explained to ourselves that it is so much difficult to have a little time to exercise or work out. In this lockdown, we have learned that taking time for exercise out of busy schedule is merely our choice only. There are many things we do during the day that are absolutely not required and also not productive. For example, unnecessary time we are spending on our smartphones. And in fact, this habit is making our life more sedentary. Why don't we reduce the screen time to some extent, whether it is mobile, television, or laptop, and divert this time to developing our physical strength? Even we don't have the resources, we can simply walk along the road, climb the stairs, and do moderate weightlifting by water-filled small buckets. Doing physical exercise will not only improve our stamina but also will support your diet modifications you have opted for your diabetes management. Third and most important thing that play a major role in management in diabetes is stress. From the initial emptiness on starting of the lockdown to knowing the power of doing nothing, we learned that many things we keep worrying about here and there are actually a byproduct of our overthinking and not worth at all. This overthinking is just keeping us away from to reach our healthy lifestyle goals. This lockdown has given us time to talk to ourselves and more clearly, and at some point we all are able to know ourselves better than before. Why can't we take this opportunity to transfer ourselves into stress-free birds? At the end, I just want to conclude that this lockdown has made us realize that what our body actually needs to maintain good health. Good nutrition from diet and better flexibility from physical exercises to create best positive vibes that together will help us to achieve balanced physical and mental state of health. Take care of yourself and your surroundings too. Thank you for your patience hearing. Thank you.